So my name is Michal Wrobel. I am the senior manager for the finance transformation team at Amkor Technologies. So most recently, I implemented the Finance Center of Excellence for Automation at Amkor. Amkor has a lot of different locations across the world, and they all have their own centers of excellence for automation, but we never had anything focused on finance and accounting as far as automation goes. So I thought it would be beneficial to start that up for the company. So we've got locations in Korea, Portugal, Japan, all across Asia as well. So we're trying to bring everybody together to help kind of share our ideas for automation, and then hopefully we can kind of work off of each other to bring that technology forward. One of our big goals, kind of far-reaching, is to develop and demo a prototype for agentic AI. A lot of this new technology that's coming up, and even automation, we found that it worked best if we kind of showcased the technology and showed everybody how it worked. So we're hoping we can do the same thing with agentic AI. For me, I think it would be to start small and then kind of start with the success so you can kind of see what the possibilities are with automation. I see a lot of people kind of taking on projects that are a bit too big and they get discouraged with trying to make things work. So that was my advice to a couple of people that were trying for the first time. Try to get one going and see how it works, and then that kind of sparks interest for new ideas for other projects as you go forward. It's kind of like being an insider. So with Amkor being a chip manufacturing company in the semiconductor industry, I can definitely see it being kind of a two-way street where it's going to help us grow as business, but also help drive business for the company as well. So with, the increasing need for, that chip and processor technology, I can see it benefiting us both ways. But I think for me, it would be laundry. So we have washers, we have dryers, we just need someone to fold everything for us and put it away. So let's finish that process. So a couple years ago, I did an enduro mountain bike race. So it was like a 2-day race of like a few thousand feet of climbing, descending for both days. Super exhausting, but super fun because it's full day out in the mountains with people just like you. So I'm super into mountain biking, so it's super fun.